Okay, I found this funny little bug with the virtual machine that basically doesn't allow you to have admin permissions to be able to install things. So I'm going to fix that. So I'm restarting. I'm going to hold down Shift, and it should allow me to go into, it's probably under Advanced Options. Let's go into Recovery Mode. Okay, I'm going to go into root cell. Remount. No bound points. Okay, so we don't need to do that. Let's just see if we can add the user. So whatever your username is, type there, and then add it to the group sudo. Sweet. Okay. This is just to check if it's permissions in the end. Unknown user. Okay. I should be able to type restart. Sorry, reboot. I'm gonna test if that fixed it. Type password to best. So I wanted to install Vim real quick. Sweet. Okay, so now it's all working. And that's how you fix the root permissions being screwed up on VM.